everyone, and welcome to The Social Stack, your go-to channel for social media and marketing tips and tricks. I've been doing an event series, and today we are talking about how to create a branded coloring book page. So we've been talking a lot about events lately, and one of the things I suggested is having something easy for the kids to do. So one thing that's nice is to have something that they can color easily. I have just gone to Google, and you can see right here, I just typed in a patriotic coloring page. I did search for a JPEG, and you'll see why that is later. You can search for PDFs. Crayola's website has lots of free coloring pages, and they've got different themes. You can search for adult coloring pages, children's. You can put in dog or house or shopping and get lots of different themes like that as well. The reason I chose to come to Google is because a lot of these are they're free to use, and I wanted to do a JPEG because I want to show you how you can get your branding on there as well. So like I said, I just chose to type in here patriotic coloring page. 4th of July is coming up, so I thought that would be a good theme to go over. I'm going to go ahead and click on this USA one. And you can just right click and save this to your desktop or drag and drop it to your desktop. It's just a JPEG. So I just picked one that I wanted. You can pick as many as you want. You can do several different options so kids have a few to choose from. So you can see all you have to do is click and drag and drop. This one might be good for little older kids, got a little bit more detail in there. And maybe we want to do a cute little eagle with a flag and some fireworks. So I'm just dragging those to my desktop. The next thing I want to do is go into Canva. And this is my account I've already got set up. I do have a pro account, and you can do this type of thing with a free account as well. So what I want to do is just create a new design. So if I go to the top right and click create a design, and these are coloring pages, so chances are they're going to be 8.5 by 11. A couple of mine are horizontal and one is vertical, so I'm going to start with that vertical one by using a flyer, which is already the 8.5 by 11 dimension. I'm just going to drag and drop that JPEG I saved right over in my images. And while that loads, I'll click on it. You can see it popped right into my template here. I'm just going to resize it to fit the whole page. It's okay if it gets cut off a little. Nobody's going to know that except you if it's not a perfect fit. But there we go. Now I've got my design for the kids to color in right there. And I go into, I've already saved my logo in here. I'm just going to go to my logo and drop that right in as well. If you wanted to do a black and white version of your logo for this, for kids to be able to color it, you could absolutely do that if you have access to that. So I'm just going to put my logo right here. And then I'm going to add some text. Just put my brand name in there. Okay. Oh, helps. Got an extra character in there, social. And if you wanted to put contact information in there, you could do that too. I'm going to add the last part here. Make that a little bigger. And you don't have to make it as big as I made it here. I just wanted to make sure that you guys could see what I was doing here. But that's it. So I've added it in there. If you want to make it colored already, you can absolutely change your font size and color and everything like that. For this, I wouldn't recommend making it too big. You want the kids to, the whole point of this is to give the kids something to do. It's just nice to have that little extra touch of branding on there. So once you've got your logo or whatever information you want on there done, you can just rename it. For whatever event if you want to put something, Land That I Love coloring page, you can put that in there. But then all you have to do is hit hit this download button here. And it's already suggesting that we do a PDF because I chose a flyer template. So yes, I would want to do that as a PDF. And then we just hit download. And it will download that template ready to go right into your downloads folder. I'm going to open it up, and you can see here it is. all completely combined into one file here. And then all you have to do is hit print. And you can print as many copies as you'd like. You just print it in black and white and then get some coloring pencils or crayons at the dollar store. In this day and age, with everything, with all the health concerns going on, I definitely recommend getting little packs or something that you can give away so that you don't have to worry about wiping them down every time somebody touches it. So if you go to the dollar store and get those little 3 or 4 packs of crayons, you can do that. You can get a crayon bucket and have that near you and just hand a couple crayons or like I said, colored pencils out to the kids as they come. And that way you don't have to worry about spreading germs or anything like that, and you can keep everybody safe. But that is how you can add your branding to a simple free image to make a coloring page to hand out as a giveaway at a client event. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that little bell if you want to get notifications every time a new video hits. I hope you've been enjoying this event series, and I'll see you around.